Do you have a document on Microsoft Word online that contains many images, graphics, shapes, and even text boxes? Remember how we used to just scan through all the pages to find them? Now you can select the first object from anywhere in the document, press the shortcut key to navigate from object to object. Sound interesting? Let me show you how. Since this shortcut is only available on Microsoft 365 online version, so I've already went to my homepage, clicked on Microsoft Word. And in my document, I want to go to page 4 because I want to showcase this shortcut to navigate from image to image. So go on to topic 4, and I see that I have some images here. Press Control Alternate G, and it takes me to the very first image that I have in my document, right? And now all I have to do is press the Tab key and navigate from object to object. I have a shape with text. Here is a text box with color and text and more images. Now, I can tell you that I did discover if I just press on any image in this document and press the tab key, I can navigate as well. And if I want to go back to the first image, Control Alt G, and there we are. If you like this information, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Now, go work your magic.